What's up, guys? Hope you had a good weekend. Pretty cool day. It's May 10th, 2024, but you were seeing this on Monday morning. Pretty cool day. On the daily chart, we had a breakout. We went sideways. We had a high one because this bar right here went below this bar's low, so that makes the first pullback after a tight channel. Spike, pullback, high one, and there's usually more sellers above a high one. So could be a start to a deeper pullback. I think we're gonna go range bound and test around here. I don't want to sound like a guru, but if this is a true, so this is a bull body, that's really good for the bulls. But this tail also shows some sort of selling, and if you trade it today, and you can start to piece together this why we sold here. Look where we're coming at resistance. We're selling against this bar, and from a fresh market cycle perspective, we can kind of start to put the context together as to why we had more selling pressure after so many days of an uptrend, right? Because if you sell here, you get shredded, but today, if you buy here, you get shredded. So I'm sure, I hope you guys didn't get caught up, but I have been trying to hint, hey, there's a high one on the daily chart. I don't know if I did, I think I did. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So selling, you can usually expect in a strong trend, a high one could be a good buy. But most of the time, a high one is really bad context to get long or short, or low one is a short because there's more sellers, and then that could lead to a bear channel, and then we get a high two. Or are we range bound? Is this a bear flag wedge top? So I don't know, I don't know. That was a new tool. Okay, let's get started. Well, we've been having a lot of bullish pressure. A lot of bullish pressure. We haven't touched the higher time frame EMA in over 160 bars. And if you're wondering how I did that, I didn't add 80 together. I counted here to here 160. I didn't add it. I counted. I'm just okay, let's get started. It's Friday. Big gap up. Bar one looks good for the bulls. Big tail. So there are trap bears. There's bears that sold and then it reversed higher. Bar two, good follow through. Not good follow through actually. There's a lot of overlap and it doesn't close at a new high, but it makes a new high. Really quick, I want to draw everyone's attention to the side data window here. I'm going to be calling out like, oh, this is high. And if we look right, you see the high, the low, the close on the range. However, I'm not going to be saying 5,245. I'm going to be saying the last four. So if we were to read this number, I'd just say 45 even. If we were to read the close, I would say 44.25. So let's just try this. The high of this bar is 58.75, right? You see it? Wait, let me see. How do I? Okay, look to the right. The high 58.75. High of this bar is 260. So the high of this bar is 260, but then it reversed, and the close is 58.75. The close here is 58.50, 58.75. So this bar closed one tick higher than this candle. So that's good for the bulls. That's literally the minimum. That's a bull body. Bar three is follow through, and bar four is also follow through, but they have large tails. Bar five is an inside bar. Bar six is an inside bar. So this is a flag. I think this is breakout mode because there's five pushes down, right? And a fractal pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of jerry rigged that number. Big breakout with bar six. It looks like a double bottom here with bar one's low is 50.75. Bar six's low is 51.25. So let's compare 50.75, 51.25. 50.75. So this is a little bit higher. So this is a higher low, right? So that's not a double bottom. It bounces up. We get a pullback. Is this the 50% level? Let's check. So it is the 50% level. The pullback starts down here. Let me pull up. I got to go in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to speed this up just a little bit because I have been rambling, but I kind of want to start doing them more like this. Pullback starts up here, and then the bears get a close below the 50% level of bar 7. So bar 8's a pullback. First reversal, we can start. So this could be the breakout. This could be the channel phase. We're breaking it far past below the last 4 or 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last 4 bars we broke far below. First opposite bar channel phase. Then we have two-sided trading. I was such a huge fan of this price action. So counting legs from opposite bars. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Or if we count legs, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3 range. So I'm going to go more in detail about this and then speed it up through here because this is just really cool price action to me. I might make some slides or something because it's like fractal, it's wedge bottom, it's... So we have a breakout, opposite bar channel phase, bar 9 is a sell, we close below the midpoint. Bar 8 is a good body, but look where we're closing. Do you want to short into support or do you want to wait for the breakout? Maybe short bar 12. It's not a bad short, but we do get immediate pullback, so we have to sit through some heat. Bar 15 is a test, and bulls do close above the EMA, but bears get it. We have a lot of bearish pressure, and bar 16 makes this a reversal right here. Reversal is good information because it shows a failed breakout. Bar 17, very strong bar, trades up to bar 15's high. So the high of 17 is 45 even. The high of this is 45 even. So here we got a double top. So bulls bulls buy. They get trapped. They buy the low of 16. They get out right at their entry, creates enough selling pressure to cause a huge spike down. Bears short the bear flag. Bulls get out at break even. It's a break even event. Bar 17. And the market has a deeper pullback, right? So like 1, pullback like 2, pullback like 3. We know the pullbacks, since pullbacks are getting deeper, it's getting later in the trend. It's a good time to start thinking about taking profits. We don't, because we still have a lot of bullish pressure, so we don't know if we're going to break out to the bull side. This is not a strong bear trend, by the way. Two-sided trading right away. Right here. This is not a good breakout. This bar overlaps. There's a lot of overlap. Not a good close. So it is a downside, but look how sideways. We go sideways for 15 minutes. We go sideways for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, maybe 45 right here, right? And then we sell right here for 15 minutes. So sideways for 45, sell for 15. We want to see opposite, you know, less than 3 bar pullback, and then a sell for a long time. So it's not the strongest trend. Leg 1, pullback leg 2. Bar 18 looks like they're taking profits. Bar 17 is low, is 44 even. Bar 18 is low. Oh wait, this isn't even moving. Wow, I did not realize. Okay, I see what happened. So let's do this again. Damn, I might have to. Well, no, 48.75. 48.50. So this traded 1 tick lower. So bulls, they got out a little bit quicker. It's still the same concept. They just didn't get out right at break even. Market goes sideways, and I want to measure this. If it was, I know it's not double bottom, but I want to see about how much. 17, 37.50, 40, 37. So this traded lower by 2 ticks, and then reversed higher. So that sucks for them. I really encourage you guys to try and get a little more detailed. Do something like this. I started doing it. I really like it. It just, the details are in the money. That's what I think, at least. So we're coming up to the third pullback. I think it's safe to get out shorts, and the market goes sideways. This is the opposite of what I like. You kind of have to. It's pretty tight. It's a pretty tight channel for the rest of the day, if you ask me honestly. The EMAs are going flat. They're parallel to each other. We are having two-sided price action now that we've entered the channel phase. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm kind of speeding this up. It's like I didn't realize I was pressed for time. I hope. Yeah, so we're in a range. Ranges is better to just sit out or scalp. Take a bar, scalp a few points, wait, take another setup, scalp. I think 52 is a good setup. TTR right here. Stay out of this. You want to stay out of that. Maybe you get trapped going short. I was still short at this point. I took a swing trade on my phone and got out around this area. I got short here and just held at work. Got out around here. And yeah, the market was trending higher. Bears are not making new lows. This bar, I think I got out onto this bar as it was turning up. I was like, no, this is bad. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you guys had a safe weekend. Hope you didn't drink and drive. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope you guys had a good one. I'll be hanging out with my mom. So happy Mother's Day. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.